Hi guys, welcome back. It is Wednesday the 19th of February and I am on Chapel Street and we're looking here at the Bonny Street court buildings, back of the car park buildings, and look, we have actual demolition going on. From the looks of it, it's quite a bit done already, and from what I hear, it started yesterday. And I did go out yesterday. It was my day off, but I was really super duper tired and I had to go into town for stuff, so I ended up going through town and then I did the Thornber Road car park update video, which if you follow my channel, well obviously you do follow my channel, because if you're watching this video, you follow my channel. Yeah, I did the car park video and I thought, no, I'm not going to go to Chapel Street, nothing's going to be happening. And yeah, that was the day it started. So what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to stick around for a bit and just film a bit of, let me just wipe that lens with my big fat finger, on actual demolition. Look. We've got the dinosaur grabber there. It's a blurry dinosaur grabber because my camera's old. I'll tell you what guys, the ground is trembling beneath my feet like a mini earthquake. So yeah, we're just going to stick around and watch this for a while. But what I am going to do is, I'm going to put my gloves on because my hands are freezing. So I'm just going to stop for a second and put my gloves on and I'll be right back. That's better. I've got my gloves on now. Warm hands. I'm going to zoom in, folks, a tiny bit. I'm just going to stick around and watch this. So, the question of the day is, what do we name this dinosaur grabber? Because we always have to give them all a name, and it's possible I've seen this same one at another site and given it a different name, but right here today it's going to get a new name. Now I see the letters DSM on the side, so I hereby name this dinosaur grabber Desmond Dinosaur. There you go guys, look, we've got Desmond working hard there and he's making quick work of this side of the building. It's a very similar looking concrete structure to what the old Wilco site was, these big like solid concrete blocks. And as we know, in these concrete blocks, they're just full of the old rebar. So they're going to have to separate all that. Because usually at these demolition sites, they crush a lot of the concrete into rubble and most of the metal ends up getting recycled. But for now, we're just going to enjoy watching this demolition, because we've definitely waited long enough for it, haven't we? So now the demolition's actually started, I think we're going to be down here every day filming. I'm sorry about the shaking. The shaking is the ground shaking, because this is quite a heavy grabber. Desmond is a big guy. And as the ground shakes, the gates are vibrating and my hand is leaning on the gate. So come on, Desmond, take a bite. Take a big, big bite. Chomp, chomp. It really does look like a dinosaur head. Out again a little bit. So guys, if you don't know this has started, this is where we're at today. Because personally, I didn't think demolition would be starting for about another month. They seem to have a lot of clearing up to do. And some people did actually say that there was asbestos in the building. So obviously there isn't, because if there was, they all just be able to yank it out like that. And I hope you can hear me, because I can hear like the rain, I can hear the traffic, and Desmond is pretty loud. He's having a good old pull on that, look, go on, grab, grab, grab and pull. And a quick wipe, because it's raining a little bit, which is boring. So this demolition isn't going to be the most exciting one we've ever watched. It's not like St Chad's when that was a legit brick building and there were bits of it where you would see a whole wall coming down at the same time, or a whole bit of roof slide off. This one is pretty much just going to be like Wilco's. It's going to be chomp grind, chomp grind, chomp grind. But at least we have something to watch. And grabbing. You know what? I think it'd be a great job operating one of these machines, don't you, folks? It must feel so good to operate one of them machines. Come on, Desmond, you can do it. Take a big bite. I think we've got quite a good view here. Just we can zoom in a little bit if we want to see a close-up like that of the head. So what's the best view, folks? The close-up of the chompy head, where you get to see the action close-up, or the wider angle view. I think the wider view is the better one for sure. There's a lot of creaking and grabbing going on. This, what we're watching right now, folks, this is kind of history in the making, because this area of Blackpool, the big Bonny Street car park, the court buildings, the police station, it's a massive, massive part of the Golden Mile area in the central Blackpool area. So seeing all this pulled down and changed, it's going to be a massive change. It's also going to take a long, long time. So guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish this video right now and then I'll start another one. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon right back in the next one. Goodbye.